Tired of having to wear a backpack while riding your Harley-Davidson Softail? Let's take a look at these Patriot Large Throw-Over Saddlebags from Viking Bags.
Now, I'm not saying a backpack doesn't get the job done, and that's exactly how I had to ride for a while. But let's face it, a backpack isn't the most comfortable or stylish way to carry the stuff you want or need to have with you while out on your motorcycle. That's where the Patriot Large Throw-Over Saddlebags come in. Priced at just under $200, these saddlebags include all the necessary mounting hardware to keep installation easy and are available for a number of different motorcycle models. Installation was simple enough on my Street Bob. I installed the supplied brackets between the rear fender and the frame, placed the bags over the rear fender, and adjusted the Velcro yoke straps so they fit tight to the sides of the fender and sat level. I reinstalled my seat and secured the bottoms of the bags by running the straps through the fender brackets and back to the bags. The Patriot Throw-Over bags themselves are made out of durable and stylish Cordura material with a rigid interior support to help maintain the bag shape. Both bags feature a high-vis interior to help make finding items in low light a bit easier. Zippered mesh storage on the underside of each lid, and one side has handy organizer pockets for small items that I find just right for keeping some tools handy should the need arise. Outside you'll find another storage pocket on each bag. These pockets are a bit on the slim side, but I made use of them by stashing some extra straps and a kickstand pad in one side and an emergency rain poncho in the other. You'll also find plenty of MOLLE webbing on the exterior, perfect for tying down extra gear or mounting all kinds of MOLLE compatible accessories like a small first aid kit, or my favorite, and almost a necessity on the Street Bob, a pouch for a fuel bottle. Interior capacity of the bags is a combined 27 liters, or 1,638 cubic inches, or 38 12-ounce cans of your favorite beverage. I find this plenty of space on my daily ride to and from work to carry my lunchbox, an extra layer for sudden and sometimes awful changes in the weather, and a hat for when the helmet comes off. Switching things up for a weekend day trip, I can swap the lunchbox for a few bottles of water, some snacks, maybe even my camera, or anything else I may want or need to have with me for the trip. Overall, the Patriot Large Throw-Over Saddlebags from Viking Bags have been a functional and stylish addition to my Street Bob that I've been thrilled with, and at just under $200, they didn't break the bank. You can get yourself a set by heading over to vikingbags.com or by clicking the link in the description.